Hey you guys, this is the new Powermax PM3-55LK. It's a standalone power converter for RV applications and other applications as well. Some people use these for other things because it's lithium compatible. So the input is 105 to 130 volts. AC output will give you 13.6 volts DC, and it is a 55 amp standalone power converter. It has two 40 amp fuses on it, and then as you can see here, you can mount your ground and your power here, and then it just has a flathead screw for tightening up your wire when you insert it, and then your ground post lug is right here, which is flathead as well. I was a little surprised to see that it's a flathead and not like an Allen key instead, because I feel like you can torque down the Allen one better than the flathead. As for the flathead, you get to a certain point, it pops off. So this is where you would hook up the 3-stage fixed output and 16.5 volts and 13 volts. You're not really gonna do anything with this yourself if you're putting it in an RV. So you don't have to worry about this. But in the back, it's got a nice fan for cooling, but one thing you want to keep in mind is that you don't want to put this in a compartment where it is like sealed and going to heat up and continue to heat up and never really cool off. You want to make sure it can breathe. So it does come with an extremely nice, colorful box. So, but like I was saying, people put it on like boats. You know, it's one of the things they're showing in the picture here. The RVs, we use this a lot in RVs just because it's like really reliable. It's got 3 stages of smart charging in the fixed power supply mode. But, you know, it's a variable voltage adjustment from 13 volts DC to 16.5, and it works with any battery type. So, but one thing I wanted to point out to Powermax is on their boxes, they misspelled the word voltage. Variable voltage adjustment. So, just so you guys could let the people know that it's designed in your box. But this does have the built-in 3-stage smart charging and fixed output modes. So that means that basically you don't have to worry about it overcharging your batteries, and it'll go through cycles where it'll charge and uncharge. But like when the RV's in use, this thing's going to be a workhorse for you, and it's going to get the job done. And you know, whether you want to use lithium batteries, AGM batteries, or lead acid batteries, it just works. It works with those applications. So you know, if you're setting up some solar power application and you're looking to charge the batteries alternatively, when say it's like a cloudy day or something and you do have alternative power, some people wire these into those systems. So there's all kinds of things you can do, but I just wanted to share it with you guys. I really like the Powermax PM3-55LK. I'll post a link down in the description below where you guys can pick these up for a great price. Until next time, safe travels.